record this one. All right. So to get the nth term of the geometric sequence, I need the explicit formula. So I'm going to write that down. I'm going to say a of n, or a sub n, equals my first term times my common ratio raised to the n minus 1. I could do a sub n instead, a sub 1 instead, but it's the same thing. So now I need to fill in some information. I know this is going to be, because I'm looking for the 14th term, this is going to be 14. So if n is 14, n is also 14 over here. What's my a of 1 or a sub 1?
5.
Yeah, that's my first term. So I'm just going to wipe that out and replace it with a 5. I got to find my r. How do I do that, right? Maybe you're somebody that's great with numbers and you could just see it, right? But if you're not somebody that is great with numbers, here's your strategy. You take your first term, 5, multiply it times r, and set that equal to the next term in the sequence, which is -10. And then solve for r. So what's r equal to? -10 divided by 5.
-2.
-2, perfect. And if I didn't, like, if you can't do that mental math, grab your calculator. There's going to be ones that are more challenging, right? Like, that's okay. Grab your calculator. So now I know what r is, so I'm going to change that. I'm going to put in parentheses just because it makes my life a little happier. So now I can go to my calculator. I can use my Desmos graphing calculator, or I can use my Delta Math calculator, whatever you decide. So I'm going to say, okay, well, I got to start plugging this stuff in. I'm ignoring the a of 14 or a sub 14, and I'm typing in what's on the right-hand side only. 5 times parentheses -2, close parentheses. Now I have to use this button here to get my exponent. And then I can do parentheses to get the 14 minus 1, or guess what? I could just do the math and say 13. Either way. But if you wanted to do the 14 minus 1, it would look like this. Parentheses, 14 minus 1, close parentheses. Any questions on this? This is the button that makes your life happy. This one right here. That's how you get your variable, your n minus 1 as an exponent. Any questions on this?